their lower jaw, which resembles their beard. Now, because they're shy and common nature, sila po ay perfect pet for kids. Napalakpakan na lang natin si Elmer. And of course, yung Easter.
Bibe!
And moving on to our next animal on display. Again, try ko po ulit mag-ask ng isang volunteer. Baka this time, meron na po nakapagod. Okay, so again, kailangan na magtaas ng kamay. Anyone from the crowd? So yun, chance yung makapagpa-picture kasama nila.
Wala talagang interesado sa...
Yes, and in honor, second feature we have
sabi ni Clyde. Saan me? Oh. Kames! Asan me? Tawagin mo me. Mehehe. Tayo. Ho, ho. Ho, ho.
the large.
Hi! Tawagin mo yung mehe. Tawagin mo yung mehe. Pato daw. Wow, pato daw. Ganda daw. Ganda. Ano yun? Pato, sabi mo. Ay, pato, ligo. Mehe. Asa mehe?
Once again, palakpakan naman natin si Elmer. And of course, yung pangawang
CBI, nagpapapicture.
To read your feature, we have the blue-gold macaw. Now this is a large, noisy neotropical parrot that can be found in Central and South America. Now this guy could reach a length of 33 inches and could weigh up to 1,300 grams. They make a good and loving companion parrot because of its striking appearance and ability as a talking bird. Much more, they could live up to 30 to 50 years in captivity. And once again, how about a big hand for JR and of course, to the blue-gold macaw. And the part
Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka, sabi mo. Bye-bye.
Now this is the largest monstrosity of the Indian rock.